Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're going to draw something very special. It's all about a rainy day, and it's inspired by the song Rain, Rain, Go Away from ChuChu TV. Do you like rainy days? Sometimes they're messy, but they can also be fun. Grab your crayons and paper. It's time to draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you what happened in the video. At the start, it was raining, and little ChuChu really wanted to go outside to play, but the raindrops kept falling. Plip, plop, plip. So ChuChu looked out the window and sang, "Rain, rain, go away, come again another day." Then Chica and Chico sang the same song too. They all wanted to go out and play together, but the rain kept coming. That's when something silly happened. The clouds above heard their song and got a little grumpy. One cloud whispered, "Should we stop raining?" Another cloud said, "But we were watering the flowers." So the clouds decided to watch what the kids would do next. Inside, ChuChu had a fun idea. "Let's wear our raincoats and boots and splash in puddles." The others giggled. "Yes, let's make it a rainy day adventure." So they got dressed, put on their boots, and stepped outside. Splash! They danced, splashed, and twirled in the puddles. Then a big wind came. Whoosh! It blew everyone's umbrellas inside out. Flip, flap, flop. "Oh no," said Chico. "Will we get soaked?" But wait, guess what happened next? What do you think the kids did when the wind flipped their umbrellas? Did they run inside? Did they build a fort? Or did they do something even funnier? What do you think happened next? If you think they made a rainy day fort, give this video a big like. Well, you won't believe it, but they used their umbrellas like boats. They placed them upside down, sat inside, and floated on the puddles. Whee! The raindrops slowed down. The clouds peeked out and saw the kids laughing, splashing, and pretending to row. "Oh," said one cloud, "they're having fun without sunshine." "Yes," said another, "they turned rainy time into playtime." So the clouds thought for a moment, maybe a little sunshine would be nice now. And then a rainbow appeared. The rain stopped, the sun peeked out, and the sky was painted with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The kids smiled, pointed, and cheered. Look, it's a rainbow. And that's the story of how this drawing happened. A rainy day, a song, a splashy adventure, and then a magical rainbow. Now take a look at your drawing. Can you add boots? An umbrella? Maybe even a rainbow in the sky?
Yes!
So bright, so bold, so cool. Today we drew a rainy day adventure and learned that even stormy skies can bring big fun and bright rainbows. Remember, every day is special, rain or shine. And if you love fun adventures and art, hit subscribe and like this video so you don't miss our next adventures on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.